Hi! I'm Nina from Husarion, and this is an unboxing video for Panther, an autonomous ROS2-based mobile robot platform for demanding outdoor applications across various industries, including agriculture, inspection, construction, logistics, and many more. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the unboxing of Panther. Then we're gonna get connected to its Wi-Fi and learn how to control it through web user interface using your phone or a provided Gamepad. This is the first video in this series. If you would like to learn how to access Panther's ROS interface via a Linux terminal, check out the next video on software configuration or simply visit our written quick start guide. Okay, so let's get started. Unboxing Panther is super simple. You just need to open a wooden crate. Inside, on the lid, you will find safety instructions. Panther is available in different configuration packages, and here we have a basic one. As you can see, inside the crate we have a box with some accessories, so let's cut the strips and take it out. Inside the box, you will find a dedicated charger, a gamepad for manual control with a dongle, and some robotics industrial router accessories. Depending on your Panther's configuration, you may have some additional accessories inside the Panther crate, such as a camera or some sensors. If you're unable to take them out, you will have to disassemble the box, as they may be blocking Panther from driving out of the crate. To do that, follow the disassembling instructions in our written quick start guide. If there is nothing more left in your Panther crate, you may grab Panther by its bumper and simply pull it out. To turn Panther on, you need to turn the battery switch, push the power button, and wait a second for the LED panels to light up. You can notice that on the rear panel there is also a USB socket. We'll use it in a moment to connect the gamepad to Panther, an emergency button, and a charging socket. You can now connect to your Panther through WebUI using your phone or PC, or you can control it by using the provided gamepad. I will use my phone, but you can do the same on your laptop. Once Panther is turned on, it will automatically set up a Wi-Fi access point. The network name contains the Panther's serial number. Our Panther's number is 81B2, so let's look for the right network. The default password is Husarion, but we strongly advise changing it later on to avoid security issues. Once you're connected to Panther Wi-Fi, type this address in the browser. you will access WebUI for controlling Panther. As you can see, e-stop is now turned on, which means you won't be able to drive Panther. To start driving, you need to unlock the emergency button on your robot. This is the main overriding security mechanism of Panther, so whenever you want to drive your robot, you need to unlock this button first. Now you can reset e-stop also on the WebUI. You can see that the lights of Panther are flashing green, which means that Panther is ready to go. And now you can start driving around. Accessing Panther's web user interface is super simple, and you can always use that method whenever you have your phone or laptop at hand, but you can also use a gamepad. To control Panther with a gamepad, you simply need to connect the dongle to the rear panel. But remember, safety first. Whenever you work in close proximity to Panther, always remember to press the emergency button to be sure Panther won't move unexpectedly. Now connect the dongle to the rear panel. And in a moment we will drive Panther so we can unlock the emergency button. First important information: e-stop is also implemented on the gamepad. To trigger it and stop Panther at any time, use this red B button. To release e-stop, hold the A green button and the lift trigger button simultaneously. You can see that the Panther's lights are lit green, so Panther is ready to go. You can start driving it. To do it, always hold that left bumper button, which acts as a dead man's switch, and use the left joystick to drive forward and backward, and the right joystick to turn around. Additionally, you can also use the right bumper button to enable slow mode, and the right trigger button to enable fast mode if you don't want your robot to be left behind. Now that we're done working with Panther, I will quickly walk you through some tips on the charging process. First of all, you should always use our dedicated charger. It takes around 7 hours to fully charge Panther and around 4 hours to charge it to 80%. The runtime of Panther on fully charged lithium-ion batteries is around 8 hours of standard operation. You can also get Panther with a double battery, which allows for 16 hours of standard operation. To charge Panther, you simply need to plug the charger into the grid. And to the charging socket. You can notice that the LED light on the charger is red. It means that Panther is not fully charged. When the charging process is complete, the LED will light green. You shouldn't keep the charger connected for a long time once the charging process is complete, otherwise it may affect the battery life. You will also notice that Panther signals its battery state using LED animations. Right now you can see the yellow animation for charging. If you see 2 orange stripes moving towards the center, it means low battery, and 2 red stripes mean critically low battery, so under 10%. You can find more information on available custom LED animations and adding your own animations in the Panther manual. Panther can be also equipped with a wireless charger, which allows you to charge the robot by simply driving it in front of the transmitter station without the need to manually plug in the charger. That's all for now. Check out our next video to learn how to connect Panther to your own Wi-Fi network and how to access its ROS API. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos on Panther. Thanks for watching and see you next time!